Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to access a free online vocabulary learning tool. So I'm going to search in Google for vocabulary.com and then click the link, the first link that comes up there. And this is the website. You actually have free vocabulary exercises here, and you can get started using that. So you've got a question. Connect means to trace, join, empty, or contract. If you're not sure which is the correct answer, you have a 50-50 choice. And connect means to join. So I've got that correct. It says nice job. And this is the meaning of the word connect. And you have some additional explanation or reference here. You can actually continue to the next word, and you can try another question if you want to. So you've got pictures here, and you need to identify which one is the pyramid. Yeah, so that's correct, as you can see. And then you have the meaning of the word pyramid here, and additional explanation which you can read if you want to. I can continue to keep using this website free, but I would recommend that you sign up. So when you sign up, you can sign up with Google or Facebook. If you have a Google account or Facebook account, you can. Alternatively, you can sign up with an email other than Google. You have an option to sign up as a student or an educator. You being a student, you would sign up as a student, and you've got to then enter your date of birth, your first name and last name, a valid email address, a password, and then confirm your password. Finally, you have to click this button to prove that you're not a robot. And it says here, select all images with crosswalks. That's a pedestrian crossing. So you've got those four. And once you do that, it actually verifies that you're not a robot. Once you've done that, you can then create your account. Now, since I already have an account, I'm going to click sign in and put my email address in there and my password. Once I sign in, I have access to all activities, and it's free. So I'm going to choose the waffle here, these three lines, and in that I've got my lists, or I could find a list to learn from. In this list, I would type in intermediate because that's your level, and I would choose any activity that has been created by people around the world. 58 words is too much. I would like to choose a simpler one, so I'm actually going to choose one like this with maybe 13 words. I can see that these words are probably a bit difficult, but you do have the meanings of the words underneath here. Once I choose this, I can start to practice. And so it asks you the meaning of one of those words. It's got four alternatives, and if you're not sure which one is the right answer, you have a 50-50 chance. which means it strikes out 2 wrong answers, and now it has narrowed your chances to be correct. Desecrate means I'm going to guess. Alter so as to make recognizable. Doesn't sound like that, so I'm going to choose this one. Violate the sacred character of a place or language. And as you can see here, that's the meaning. It says it's correct, and because I got that correct, I have a tick mark here which says that I got my first question correct. And you can, if you get all the 13 correct, you'll have 13 tick marks. And if you go up to the waffle, you can actually look at your progress here. So that's the intermediate test with 13 words that I was going to learn. I hope you found this interesting. Wish you would subscribe to this free software and continue to develop your vocabulary. Thank you.